In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Clickup. We'll guide you through this process step by step, making sure you have all the necessary information to get started quickly and effortlessly. First, let's head over to the Clickup website. You'll need to open your preferred web browser and type in the Clickup URL. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's streamline the process by choosing Continue with Google. This option will allow you to log in using your Google account credentials, an efficient way to bypass manually entering usernames and passwords. After clicking this, you should see a list of your available Google accounts. Choose the account you wish to use and log in. Once you've successfully logged into Clickup, navigate to your workspace. You can do this by looking at the left panel of the interface. Your workspace is like the central hub where everything is organized: projects, tasks, and dashboards. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it's critical for managing your tasks effectively. Now, let's create your dashboard. In the same left panel, you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to setting up new spaces and tools within Clickup. In the menu that appears, find and click on Dashboard. It's worth noting that dashboards are incredibly useful for visualizing your data and tracking your project progress at a glance. They can be customized to fit your individual or team needs, offering a high level of flexibility. After clicking Dashboard, you'll enter the Dashboard Creation interface. Here, you can access your newly created dashboard. In this area, you'll find a variety of widgets you can add or customize. Widgets are powerful components that help display specific types of data, such as tasks, goals, team activity, and time tracking, among others. Start by adding the widgets that are most relevant to your work. This way, they provide the most value. There you have it, your own Clickup dashboard, ready to help you visualize and manage your projects more effectively. Spend some time personalizing it. Experiment with different widgets and adjust the layout to what suits your workflow best. Dashboards in Clickup offer a tailored view of your progress, enabling you to stay on top of everything you're managing. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial on creating a dashboard within Clickup. We hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward for you. Happy organizing!